What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Renault just dropped a brand new press release, and if you are running a business or managing a fleet, this is definitely something you'll want to pay attention to. They are completely changing the game for light commercial vehicles with the launch of their new turnkey solution called Converted by Renault. Renault has been in the commercial vehicle game for over a century, adapting vans for everything from ambulances and construction sites to mobile shops and tippers. In fact, conversions are a massive part of their business, with 1 out of every 2 Renault light commercial vehicles getting converted in some way. Usually, getting a custom body or specialized setup means dealing with third-party converters, multiple invoices, and long waiting times. That's exactly what Renault is trying to fix here by bringing the conversion process directly into the factory. This means you can order a fully ready-to-use converted vehicle straight from the dealership. Renault is promising a much smoother, factory-backed experience from the moment you order to the day of delivery. By building the conversions directly in-house, they're cutting down average delivery times by nearly 30%. You get a single contact point within the Renault network, a single invoice, and no third-party hassle. The conversion parts are sourced from approved body shops but assembled in factory, meaning the entire vehicle is covered under a single 100% Renault warranty. If something breaks, customers can repair the converted parts directly at any Renault dealership. On top of that, because it's an official factory build, the conversion is factored right into the vehicle's official residual value when it's time to sell or trade it in. The lineup spans across 3 of Renault's main French manufacturing plants, Maubeuge, Sandouville, and Batilly, which produce the Kangoo, Trafic, and Master respectively. For the Kangoo, the solution is available as a crew cab. The Trafic offers it as a 5- or 6-seater crew cab, and it will also be available on the upcoming Trafic E-Tech Electric. The Master is where the heavy lifting happens, covering drop-side flatbed bodies, single and triple axle tippers, large capacity volumes between 20 and 23 cubic meters, and crew cab models are coming down the line very soon. According to Renault, a massive 70% of all Renault Master conversions are already managed through this ecosystem, which has helped the Master become Europe's best-selling heavy van since the start of 2026. If the standard factory catalog doesn't quite fit your exact business needs, Renault still has 2 other pathways. First, their dedicated in-house subsidiary, Customize, features 13 production sites integrated right inside Renault factories, allowing them to add custom storage, protective lining, or branding to a vehicle just 48 hours after it rolls off the main assembly line. Second, Renault partners with a network of 300 approved independent body shops across Europe. These shops undergo strict annual quality audits, and they actually work with Renault during the early design phases of new vans to ensure the chassis are completely conversion-ready from day one. Overall, Renault is clearly doubling down on making the commercial buying process as seamless as buying a standard passenger car. If you want a tipper, a crew cab, or a high-volume van without the traditional logistics headache, you can now order them across any of Renault's 2,700 European dealerships, with specialized displays popping up at their Pro Plus showrooms. What do you think? Does a factory-backed warranty and the 30% faster turnaround time make this a no-brainer for your business fleet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more automotive updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.